Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Instagram story. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open up Instagram on your phone. Let's say you've just posted a story and you're curious to see who's viewed it. Thankfully, Instagram makes it easy to check. Once you post a story, go to the top left of the screen where your story is displayed. If you tap on your story, you'll see at the bottom left a button that says Activity. Tap on that, and it will show you a list of people who have viewed your story. In this case, I can see exactly who those three viewers are. Keep in mind that Instagram stories expire after 24 hours, so you can only see who's viewed it within that time frame. If you miss checking during that time, you can go back to your profile by tapping on the icon at the bottom right, then tap the three lines at the top right and go to Archive. Here, you'll find all your past stories, but unfortunately, Instagram doesn't show who viewed them after they expire. You can view all your archived stories, but you'll only see the viewers in real time while the story is active. So make sure to check before it expires to know who's seen it. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.